Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to get the best Wuthering Waves graphics settings. So let's get started. First of all, go to the menu and in the bottom right hand side you'll see a gear icon. Click on it. Now go to the graphics settings. Now over here make sure that your graphics quality is set to low or medium depending on your device. Now also make sure to change the screen mode to full screen mode, as this helps with reducing lag and increasing FPS. Also make sure the resolution set on the game is the same resolution of your monitor or screen. Now also you can change the frame rate to 30, 45 or 60 FPS depending on how much it lags. Make sure to turn off shadow quality, special effects quality and LOD bias, as these all hinder with your performance. And make sure to turn on capsule AO. Also turn off volumetric fog and volumetric lightning, as these create extra burden on your PC or mobile. Also turn off motion blur and make sure to turn on NVIDIA DLSS. Also turn off VSync, as it can hinder with your performance, and also turn on NVIDIA reflexes. And these settings should help you get the best performance. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.